What is up, everybody? It's the Sketch Monkey here, and guess what? This is a brand new video. I know it's been a long time coming, but here we are. There is no specific reason why I haven't made a video. Just been busy doing other things, and I haven't really been sketching at all. And here comes Rosie as usual. Every time I start talking, she wants to jump up here and say hello. So here she is. Hi, Rosie. Okay, you can go down now. You can go down now, little friend. So I've just been busy doing other things, and I haven't really sketched anything during this month, I guess. But today we're getting back into it. So what I'm gonna do is first just put on some music, and then not really sketch anything specific. And I know I kind of say that every time, but I mean, come on, I haven't sketched in a month. So I'm just gonna start by warming up. This is gonna be like a back to basics video, I suppose. These classic. I'm a bit rusty for sure. Classic exercises, ellipses and stuff like that. I can make some lines like look at that. Look at that. I feel that my hand is slowly coming back and figuring out what is going on here. I would do this even if I've been sketching every single day. I would still make a sheet of paper like this. I don't like to just jump straight into sketching whatever it is I'm supposed to sketch. I just like to always start with a couple of warm-up lines or whatever, circles, ellipses like this. So let's make a side view of a car. Why not? Why not? The wheelbase, I just eyeball it. We can't remember all the rules that we learned in school of how many wheels is supposed to be in between here. I think it's like 3.5 or something like that. But who cares? That's no fun. So do whatever you feel is right. And do whatever you think looks good, because that's all that matters. Hey, look, it's a 2-door coupe. Who would have thought that? Let's make the door. Bam! That's the ugliest door line I've ever seen in my life. I like the proportions of this. Let's make a quick little ground effect here. Man, it's like I never stopped sketching. This car I can sketch in my sleep because I sketched it so many times. But it's a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Let's add some line weight. Actually, should I put markers on this? Should I put more? Yeah, let's do it. Is that even a question? Let's see what this is. Sweet, let's use that. Very, very dirty sketch. Looks good. At least in my eyes. I don't know what you think. Same thing here as always. I'm just doing the horizon line first, or horizon reflection, with the lightest marker that I have. You know, the lightest marker in the color that I use. So this is obviously orange or red. Here we have a different kind of, that's actually lighter, so I might use that just up here. This is not marker paper, by the way, so if I go over it too many times, the paper is gonna get all messed up. There we go. So I kind of have to be fast and just add some quick lines over here. There we go. Do we have a darker one? Let's give it a shot. There we go. And we obviously need black to add the contrast to this. Use a fine liner with a brush tip for that. Something like this. Just fill in the black parts and make it 100% black, because that's gonna make your sketches pop so much more than if you use like a cool gray 8 or something like that. So you want to have some parts of your sketch 100% black. There. And let's make these two. And this one. And the the window. Want to have that black as well. Let's make it thicker in the back here. You see the big difference that tiny little thing does? It just gives it more depth. So don't be afraid to just go crazy with the black and use it in areas that should be black, so the surfaces that are in the shade and facing away from the sunshine. If you're interested in learning to sketch, I forgot to mention this, Analog Designer Pro Pack, my 3-in-1 bundle, is on summer sale right now, so you can check it out by clicking the link in the description and see if it's for you. If you want to get in, you might want to do that right now when it's on sale. And I throw in a couple of bonuses as well. Bonus stuff that you can read more of what those bonus things are on the Analog Designer ProPack.com. I can't even say it myself. I should probably change the name of the course because it's so confusing. But check it out if you want to do that. As you know, I'm very, very lazy when it comes to sketching wheels. This level of lazy, so I just do it like this. But we're gonna not leave them like this. We're gonna make a few more adjustments to these things, or define it just a little bit more than just sloppy like that. I'm gonna add some highlights and stuff to it. Where did that cool gray go? I think it's a... Actually, it's a blue gray. Gonna use the same blue gray as I did on the wheels to sketch the interior. Give it some depth. We see through this windshield here all the way to the interior, so we see the A-pillar on the other side here. We see parts of the roof on the inside ceiling, and we also see the C-pillar back there. That's what that is supposed to be. I hope that makes sense. Because even though we're sketching in side view, we still want to have depth. And to add depth in a side view, these small things, like you can see the wheels on the far side here underneath the car, you can see the inside of the car right here through the window, and stuff like that, details, makes a big difference. It looks like a rally type. The overhangs are so small, I kind of like it. Reminds me just, you know, like of the Audi, what's it called, the Quattro concept that they showed, that they created, I think in 2012, 11, I think. I loved that car. It was such a cool car. I wish they built it. One of the tightest looking cars I've ever seen. Alright, now let's add, actually, I'm gonna go to the blue first. Add some sky reflections in here. Since the sky is blue, we're adding some blue to the surfaces that are facing up towards the sky. Just checking that the sketch is actually on camera, and I think it is. Hopefully, otherwise I've been sketching, well, it's been good practice for me, but if it's not on the camera, doesn't really make sense to record it, does it? So if you're lazy like me, this is a great way to sketch wheels. Because one, it takes 2 minutes to sketch wheels like this, and two, it gives a bit of a dynamic to the sketch because these wheels are in motion, they're not standing still. And when you sketch them like this, it looks like they're spinning fast, and that obviously gives the sense of movement and speed. I kind of like it. It's a very efficient way of sketching wheels. Let's add some highlights right here. Now I know this is a very generic car, and I've been sketching this a few times before, but sometimes that's just what I love doing. I just love to sketch the same old car over and over again, and especially if I haven't been sketching for a while, which I haven't right now. And it's good practice to come back to this. It's a good way of starting again after a bit of a break, to go back to what you know, just to get the confidence back, you know. That's a big door. The cut line should be here, but that's a huge door when it's open. I mean, when you park it and you're gonna open it in a tight parking spot, good luck. I gotta make this, try to make this more round. I don't know what it looks like from your point of view. Straight up, probably like an egg. I guess I'll find out when I check the video later. I'm kind of happy with this sketch. I'm happy with how basic it turned out. And it feels good to make a sketch again. Jeez. I think this is the longest break I've ever had from sketching. There we go, adding some final details to this. So there we are. We have our first side view in a month. And first video in a month. Give me some ideas on what to sketch in coming videos. It makes making videos so much easier because I don't have to think about what to sketch every time. I know I have some, I know someone said jet skis, and that's a pretty cool thing to sketch. Because I like the speed form aspect of sketching, stuff like that. So I'm gonna make a video on that for sure, but I mean, it's not gonna be, you know, take it with a grain of salt, because I never sketched jet skis before, and you know how crazy my designs can be. I mean, they're not supposed to get manufactured, so I really don't give a crap about manufacturability and stuff like that. If I did, I would work as a designer. But I'm not. Instead, I'm here on YouTube sketching random stuff, which is way more fun. Alright, these are weird, but I'm gonna just leave it like that. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. I'm the Sketch Monkey, and I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, you know what to do. Don't forget to like it, because that boosts engagement and, you know, cool stuff. So YouTube sees that it's a cool video, and then boom, my videos get ranked higher, and I get motivated to do more videos. And don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Take it easy, guys.